Okay, so I'm thinking. Should I leave this as a wash and go or should I do a flat twist out? Yep, it's looking like you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what I do with this Product Junkie Naturals Blueberry Agave Flaxseed Gel Buttercream next.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as Olena Roseanne, and today we're going to be working with the Product Junkie Naturals Blueberry Agave Flaxseed Gel Buttercream. So I've used several other buttercreams from Product Junkie Naturals, but I've never used this particular mix of blueberry agave. I think I've tried a flaxseed gel buttercream or flaxseed gel. I don't know. I've tried so many, but if you want to get caught up on what I have tried and what I haven't tried through Product Junkie Naturals, make sure you check out the playlist titled Product Junkie Naturals here on my channel. Oh, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you have your notifications on all so you don't miss any of my uploads. I just did a pop-up giveaway and it was only to people who are actually watching me on YouTube. So you never know when it's going to happen. You never know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. Nicely sealed. Right off the bat, it smells just like blueberries. It reminds me just of a cheese. So think of like, the reason why I say this is because of the holes, but imagine blueberry cheesecake. That's exactly what this smells like. It's almost like a cream cheese consistency. Nice and thick, but not sticky. You see what I mean by cream cheese? That's what it reminds me of. So we'll just say this is blueberry cheesecake. That's what we'll say. Okay, so based on that consistency we just saw, I believe this is going to nicely coat my hair, and I believe that it's also going to give me a good amount of definition thanks to the flax seeds in there. So let's see what else is in here. This also had, well, first ingredient, flaxseed gel. A few other ingredients are cocoa butter, castor oil, mango butter, capulco butter, agave nectar, olive oil, blueberry seed oil. Nice, nice, nice. Also, the directions say apply buttercream to sections, distribute evenly, and then style as desired. If you're not already following Product Junkie Naturals on IG, make sure you do that so you don't miss the lives, because there's a lot of teaching and demonstrating and just everything. Keeps you up to date and what's going on, so you're not in the dark about what is going on with the business or what's going on with the products. I'm telling you, blueberry cheesecake. Let's go ahead and get some of this blueberry cheesecake on my hair, okay? Oh, if you're not already following me, you may want to go ahead and do so, because if you have any issues with thinning hair, alopecia, whatever the case, as clearly I do, stay tuned, because I'm beginning my alopecia journey as far as what I'll have to do related to the medical side. You know, what's going on the inside. Okay, so now we have the light a little bit closer so you can fully see my hair. Spray bottle, check. This is is very thick. It's not going nowhere. Now the water refresh I just did, just basically obviously moistened my hair, got it damp, and reactivated the leave-in conditioner I already have in it. Okay. A little bit more on the ends. I could even do a wash and go with this. Should I? I'm just saying that because of the amount of definition I have, and the first ingredient in this is flaxseed gel. Well, this is a great combo of a wonderful natural gel and cream and oils. But you know what I'm saying. Yeah, this is a great cream gel balance. Look at that. Well, I think if you want to do a wash and go, stop here. Let it be. Let it go ahead and air dry. And I think you would get a nice, fluffy wash and go. Okay, that's it for now. Or is it? Nah. This ain't it. It's underneath here. Let's go ahead and get these taken down so we can check out the results. I will say is my hair is super soft. All that moisture was sealed in and just marinating underneath my protective style while I was protective styling. I love my results. The texture is there. It's soft, lightweight. Do you like the smell of blueberries? By the way, the smell, this is now 2 days later, the smell is completely gone. It was actually gone at the end of one day, actually. The same day, because my hair did dry super fast. Air dried. It was dry before I even went to sleep. There's a super soft hold. So using this, if you want to go ahead and pair it with a gel that it agrees with, make sure you test it by putting the product in your hand along with the gel, mixing it up together. As long as it doesn't curdle up, you know it's going to play well together. And then put it into your hair. There's no crisp, no crunch at all. Pure, soft, defined, moisturized, and hydrated curls. So anyway, roses, let me know what you think. You know, have you tried this product before? Would you try it? Have you already ordered it before? Do you plan on ordering it? Let me know. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you choose to hit the notification bell, share this with someone, and I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.
Feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible.